back to TechnoArch. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a napkin in SketchUp using the ClothWorks plugin. Let's dive in and explore this exciting tool to design a realistic cloth model. Start by importing the hook or napkin holder model. You can use a pre-made model or create your own customized hook in SketchUp. Once imported, adjust the hook's position and orientation to your desired setting in the SketchUp workspace. Next, import the texture for the napkin. You can use a PNG or JPG image format. Once imported, right-click on the texture, select Explode, and then scale it to the desired size for the napkin. Arrange the napkin model above the hook to stimulate the natural fall of the cloth. Right-click on the napkin texture, select ClothWorks, and then choose Make Cloth. Next, select the hook. Right-click, choose ClothWorks, and click on Make Collider. This sets the hook as an object that the cloth will interact with. Reselect the napkin texture group. Right-click, go to ClothWorks options, and choose One Cloth. Then select Apply Equilateral Grid and click OK in the Resolution dialog box. Select the cloth or napkin. Then use the play button in the ClothWorks toolbox to stimulate the cloth's fall. Pause or stop the stimulation once you are satisfied with the look of the napkin's drape. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please leave a comment below. See you next time.